Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create highlight in Instagram. So first to do that, you have to open your Instagram app on your phone, then you tap at the profile icon. Once you do that, then you tap at these three lines at the right top corner of the screen. Once you do that, then you scroll down a little and tap on archive. Then come up here at the right top corner of the screen, then you tap at the three dot icon. And right here, another option is going to pop up. Then you can tap on it, which is create highlight. And from here, you can simply configure and create a new highlight for your profile. Let's say this. Then you tap next. Then you create the highlight. Let's say quote. Then you add. You can see, so when you go back to your profile, this will be added to your highlight. If you find this helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.